What's up, everybody? I am here in my room. Well, I'm not showing you my room. That is a place you do not want to go. That's not happening. But in my last video, I did say this. So I thought to myself, I'll bake a cake. But then I realized that I don't know if I want to bake a cake because it's really, really long. And then I'll probably bake a cake for a different video. So if you guys want to see me bake a cake, just... And so, to hold true to that, I will be baking a cake. But it will take a lot of work and a lot of kitchen cleaning because I'm really lazy and haven't cleaned my kitchen. And I need to pick up some things. So, and trying to keep it on budget for budgeted people. It's a challenge. Please also note that it's not really just a challenge. I'm just really super lazy and I just don't want to do it. And I'm just like a procrastinator, and you know me, I just love to procrastinate things. So.
Right, so while we go out, we need to get ourselves a jacket. So I'm gonna look around and find my jacket, even though I'll walk right past it, and I grab it now. So grab our keys and get ready to go. So I have to take the dog out for a walk quickly, and so I'll get him leashed up, get ready to go, and let's go. Usually have him sit before we get out the gate, let's go, and off to this, pretty much the bridge of Terabithia. No, but seriously, there's this foul-smelling creek that can probably swallow a small child. It looks bigger in real life. Alright, because I hate driving around and doing anything in public, in terms of going to stores and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go to a convenience store, hopefully find what I need. I need vanilla extract, and that's literally only maybe powdered sugar if I need it. And I can do it without powdered sugar. I'll find out, you know? We'll see. So I go into the store here, and while I'm going in, I find a cake recipe. Should have used that instead.
Okay, so I couldn't find vanilla at the store, and I'm not going out, which is fine because I have vanilla yogurt at home, so I could just go with that. But I did find this and this and this, so woo. One sec. But yeah, we need this.
What do you think I'm overweight? No.
You're not overweight. Jesus, calm down. I just need to steal some of them.
I can't just be called those chopsticks glutes.
Well,
You're a piece of shit.
do you have?
Wait, are you videotaping this?
Yes, everything. It's part of it. Do you?
My kitchen's a mess.
Yep.
How dare you? If you're filming, at least make sure it's clean.
It's cleaner than mine. All right. So obviously, as you can see, it is evidently nighttime, and I'm walking back to my car. I stopped friends and borrowed vanilla, so we can get ourselves, a beautiful cake. But I'm not doing it tonight. I'm probably going to be doing it tomorrow because it's nighttime, and I have to go out and walk the dog, and my fiance's going to be calling, and yada yada yada. Priorities. So yeah, I'll probably bake that cake tomorrow. Look at this happy dog. It's the next day now, and yeah, I need coffee, a lot of coffee, in order to do this wonderful thing that you want me, or that I want to make for you on a tutorial. I guess if that's what this hasn't even been a tutorial yet, but yeah, I'm making coffee, so stay tuned. We'll bake a cake.
So we get ready to grab all of our ingredients here, and grab the flour, grab the sugar, and I just have to make sure I have everything in this cupboard, and move on, grab our baking powder, grab our lemon juice, because I think that's important, and our vanilla, which is so cherished and needed. We need to get our milk, and I do believe we just need eggs. Yeah, that's it. And hopefully close the fridge. Like a barn animal.
Alright, so you can either add yourself a little bit of salt, or you can just be like me, health conscious, and say no to salt. Because, no to salt means longer life, a lot longer.
Alright, so we start by adding our flour into this mixture. And honestly, I had some really quirky and funny jokes about this, but honestly, this cake just turned out terrible. Like, I'm just gonna be straightforward with you. If you just want to click out now, I know it's only like 5:23, 5:24. Yeah, so like literally, yeah. So whenever you just want to like peace out, because it just turns out to be an utter failure. But if you just like watching failures, and I mean just watch this video because I had some wisdom if it was gonna turn out great about this whole boiling water and have to put bubbles in the whole thing, to make sure it's nice and fluffy. And guess what? It didn't turn out as fluffy. It didn't turn out as fluffy whatsoever. Maybe I just used too much flour. I don't know. Maybe I should have just added a freaking salt. But, so, here we go, just adding all of our mixture up together, and yada 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 yada. So, as we mix it up nice and good, I can't wait to be like on those like weird little things where they just break down and realize that everything I'm doing is fake, like that. Magic. And we just add our vanilla right there, and guess what that did for a whole total of flavoring? Nothing. It did nothing. So we mix this and we get it all nice and up and tight. And we get our pan ready. Now, I tried looking for the butter here, and honestly, I have no idea where the butter is, and I've tried looking everywhere for this butter, and I honestly can't find it, which made me to believe that probably the dog ate it, and I don't want to ever admit that to my fiance, because he'll probably actually murder me, because he complains about me, like, accidentally leaving food on the counter and the dog always eating it when he's not there, and it would just, like, further his, like, confirmation of the whole thing, and I just don't want to hear it, So I'm lathering the pan up in olive oil, and then we just dunk it in. Yeah, I'm just so upset. You have no idea. Like, this should just be a rant video on how like I screwed up cake. How can you screw up cake? It's like the basic fundamental thing of pastry. Frick. Oh, I'm so upset I can't even speak English. So we just pat it all up nice and tight, and I just get ready to go in the oven, which is set to like 375. And I did several hours before even like starting the video for this mixture. Not really, just 45 minutes. Just get ready, open it up and pop it in. And look at me magically gesture to it like it's amazing.
Hey Google. Hey. Hey Google. Hey Google. Set a timer for 24 minutes.
24 minutes, starting now.
While that was all happening, I took liberal time to play with my animals.
Oh, look at the camera. Hey, buddy. Rude. I just woke her up from a nap, and I don't think she's, like, having it very much right now. Ow.
So I'm mixing up this icing. I'm not remember which is an egg white, yogurt, and I think sugar. I'm pretty sure is the concoction. While that was boiling, I decided to check out my game. $3 if you ended up figuring out the game, and $10 if you can guess which country I decided to model it after. And so our cake is done, and look how flat and atrocious that looks. I'd have to say it's horrendous. It's absolutely horrendous. Like, I don't even know why I'm presenting it. Like, yippee, that's the final photo. Woo.
So it's incredibly tough to cut, but bon appetit. Definitely came out more like a shortcake rather than a cake, but not 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 the greatest. I'm probably gonna redo this to redeem myself. All right, so that was great. If anyone can let me know what I went wrong, clearly I think I know where I went wrong, but anyone else's opinions, whichever one does, leave them down below, and I'll get to. Oh, and I'll get around to reading them. Yes, I love you too. All right, bye.